If you want to lock apps on the Samsung Galaxy A57, then unfortunately there is no dedicated feature, setting, or option that would allow you to just simply create a password for apps of your choice. However, there is a certain alternative that we can use instead. So if we open settings, then over here we should be able to scroll down a little bit and go to security and privacy. Now over here in security and privacy, we're gonna go to more security settings. And then in here we have the secure folder, and this is what we can use in order to lock apps. So we're gonna go ahead and tap on continue. We need to grant all of these required permissions, and now we need to wait for the secure folder to be created. After that, we will have to create a password, and then we're gonna proceed. Now, in the meantime, I'm gonna explain in short how it works. So secure folder is like a private space, a separated environment where you can install apps and also transfer files as well into that secure folder. And everything that you have inside that secure folder is completely separated from everything that you have outside of it. So this also means that you can duplicate apps and use them separately because the data inside the secure folder does not interact with any data outside of the secure folder. So now over here we need to create the password, so we can choose one of these available options, of course. You can also create the fingerprint sensor for the secure folder. So if you want to be able to unlock the secure folder with your fingerprint, then of course you can easily do that. So in my case, I'm gonna set up a simple pattern. There we go. We need to enter our password twice in order to confirm. And now we also have the option to use the Samsung account to be able to recover the password in case you forget it. In my case, I don't need that, so I'm gonna tap on a don't allow. And then we can press OK, and let's go next. Over here, we need to choose what should happen when the secure folder is locked. In my case, I'm gonna allow background activity, and let's go next. There's also an information that you can hide the secure folder. So if you wish to do so, then of course, at least now you know that you can do that. And you can do that by tapping on these three dots here on the right side. Here we have the secure folder option, hide secure folder, I mean. All right, so now how we can lock apps. So we're gonna use this plus button here, and we can see the list of apps that we have installed. Let's say I want to lock Facebook, I want to lock Instagram, and if I press on add over here, they are going to be added to the secure folder. Now, the important part is that these apps have not been moved, they have been installed in the secure folder. If I go outside of the secure folder, I can still find exactly the same apps over here. And more importantly, these two apps do not contain any data whatsoever. These apps have been freshly installed on the secure folder. It's like installing these apps on an iPhone. Simple as that. So, of course, it is also quite important to set these apps up. So if you have like an account that you want to use, or if there's anything that you have to set up, it is worth doing so right now, because of course you will not be logged into your account or accounts. So do that, and afterwards we can uninstall these apps from your phone, from the app drawer. So since they have to be locked, of course, if I try to open them, they don't have any password. But in the case of the secure folder, usually, of course, the secure folder is locked. In order to access these apps, I have to go to the secure folder, I have to unlock it, and then I can open them. I can also create home screen shortcut. So if I press and hold my finger on the app, I can choose add to home. There we go. And now if I lock the secure folder, as you can see here, I have the locked Facebook app. I can tap on it, but I have to unlock it. I need to provide the secure folder password in order to be able to access this app. So this is how it works. And of course, like I said, now we can uninstall these apps if you don't need them anymore, in order to have only the same app or same apps, but inside the secure folder, so the password is required. And one thing that I also have to mention is that you don't have to have these apps installed on your phone beforehand. So if you wish to lock an app that is not installed yet on your phone over here, and then you can go to the secure folder, and if you use this plus, and then here at the top we have download from a Play Store or download from Galaxy Store. So if I go over here, if I sign in, I should be able to access the Play Store, and whatever I install, it's going to be installed only in the secure folder, not outside of it. So this is what we can do as well. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.